Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing my weekly nighttime routine. I'll show you guys some of the products that I use and just what I do at night before I get ready for bed. Go inside the bathroom and actually pin my hair up, and I begin to take off my makeup for that day with my Neutrogena cleansing cloths. I would like to start using a oil cleanser to actually take off my makeup. I just have not found one that actually doesn't break me out. So right now we are just using the makeup wipes to clean off our makeup. And then basically after I clean off my makeup, I go ahead and rinse my face. And this shower cap that I'm using, I end up getting from Target. It is by the Cantu brand. And I'm just going to put this on my head to get prepared for the shower. I actually like it. I like the color, and it definitely works with not getting your hair wet. So after that, we'll go ahead and start to run our water for our shower. I normally like a hot shower. It just makes me feel more relaxed, and then also it just relaxes the muscles too as well. So I like a hot shower when I actually get in the shower. Okay guys, so once in the shower, I go in with my Olay body scrub. It is the KP Bump. It is good for if you have like those bumps on your skin. It will smooth those right on out and give you a more smoother skin. I just love this. It feels really good, and as you can see, it has the beads on it, and it just really moisturizes your skin and just kind of like remove those bumps over time. And then also I'm going to take my foot scrub and then also scrub the back of my heel too as well. And then I'll start to exfoliate my skin using my Caress pomegranate and coconut milk. This smells so good. I just added this recently to my shower routine. Guys, it smells so good. It feels good, and it really suds up really good as well. So I'll be using this to actually exfoliate. And the body wash I'll be using is the Method Body Coconut Rice and Shea Butter. Guys, this is so silky and smooth. This is like the perfect finish for my shower routine. And then for my private area, I normally always use my Dove Unscented Sensitive Skin. I don't put any type of fragrances or anything down there because my skin is very sensitive, and that is a very sensitive area. Okay guys, so now that we are out of the shower, we are going to go in and do some skincare. I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Cleanser. I find that this is very hydrating and also doesn't break out my skin. It is for all skin types. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face, and then after I rinse my face, I'm going to go ahead and just brush my teeth. I'm using the Pro Enamel Strong toothpaste. I love this. Also, I'm using these Grid tongue cleaners. These are actually amazing. You can get these at Target. They are the bomb and they are disposable. And then after that, guys, I'm going to go in with my Crest Clean Mint mouthwash and just gargle my mouth. And then after I'm done gargling my mouth, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Purifying Green Tea Mask. I actually get these from Target or Marshall's. They actually have these for a really great price. So I'm just going to put this on my face. This is very cooling. Also, what I like to do is I like to put them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes because I find that it kind of like penetrates the skin and just kind of hydrates the skin even more if it's really, really cold. So, and then after I leave this on for about 5 minutes, I take this off, and then that's when I begin to rub the excess inside of my skin. Once that is all on my face, I'll go ahead and take my Sarah Happy lip scrub and I'll go ahead and apply it to my lips and start scrubbing my lips. Just leave the lips so smooth and clean. Then after that, I'll take my argan oil and vitamin E. And this I got from, I believe, Marshall's for like $5, but you can always find these vitamin E oils at your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx for about $3.99 or $4.99. So highly recommend. My skincare is pretty simple. I don't use a ton of products on my face. It's mainly for me about cleansing my skin and then also hydrating my skin once I'm done. Then guys, I'll go ahead and take my Dove Silky Nourishment for normal skin. This is like a cream that you can put on your body. It's very moisturizing and I love to use it because it does not stick to the bed or my sheets when I lay down. It's like it moisturizes you, but it's still dry by the time you lay down. So that's why I actually love using this product a lot. I definitely want to get it in different flavors as well, but I ended up getting it from Ross, and I believe it was about $3.99. And then once I am moisturized with my robe on, I go ahead and go inside of my closet and I get a perfume for tonight. I'm going to be using the Ebony Woods. It is by Zara. It is very nice and warm and it's perfect for the fall as well. And then guys, I'll go ahead and pour me a glass of wine and then I'll go ahead and fix some dinner for tonight. I'll be having some salmon and some shrimp and some vegetables on top.